Okay, so you've read about the video course, you've watched the free preview material about the video course that you're interested in, so let me show you how to buy access to the video course. So what you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on Buy the Video Course. And when you click that button, it will open up a new screen. And this is what it will open up to. A screen where there are some pricing options. So you select whether you want 30-day access, 90-day access, or 180-day access. Let's select the 180-day access. And when we click on the Get Started Now button, it will open up a new web page. And that takes me to this page where you need to create a new account. So you just put in all of the details. Now I already have an account, so I will log in using those details. And that takes me to complete your purchase. So now you can pay with credit card or pay with PayPal. And once you've made the payment, it will take you to the student dashboard, which will look like this. So now that we're in the dashboard, we just decide which topic we want to start studying first. Let's start with topic 14, organic chemistry. We just click on it. And here is the organic video course. Now if we have a look at the column on the left, we see crude oil or petroleum chapter is made up of crude oil notes, crude oil video, and fractional distillation video. Now let's click on the crude oil video button. The video starts to play straight away, and all we need to do is watch the video and make notes. Now you won't hear any audio because I have muted it at the minute, but audio will play throughout the videos. Once you have finished the video, do make sure you click on the Complete and Continue button at the bottom of the screen. Now that marks the crude oil video with a tick to say it's been completed, and the fractional distillation of crude oil video will start playing. And again, just go through the video and make some notes as you go through them, pressing the Complete and Continue button when you have finished each video. Now the other thing you can do when you're watching these videos is to double click on the video itself, and that will make it full screen size. And to get it back to normal view, press the Escape button on the keyboard. We can go back to the student dashboard at any time by clicking the button at the top left corner of the screen. I hope you have found that the video course platform is very user-friendly and hope that you will sign up to the video course. Thank you and good luck.